For this week's video, I'm doing an apple cider vinegar rinse. And before I get into that, I actually just wanted to show you what my hair looks like before the rinse. As you can see, it's very dry, it's very brittle, mostly at the ends where I have some bleach damage. And I'm gonna try to hopefully repair some of that as time goes on. And hopefully the apple cider vinegar rinse will help me a little bit with that. This is hair that I haven't washed in about a week. And I've had it in a pretty tight bun, which is why it looks so dull and lifeless and you don't really see that many curls. So let's get started. Today I'm going to try out an ACV rinse. Now there's so many different beneficial properties of doing an apple cider vinegar rinse. The apple cider vinegar rinse helps to add body to your hair. It helps to add definition and bring back some spring to the curls. It helps to reduce frizz by closing and smoothing down the cuticle. It adds shine. It's clarifying. It helps with itchy scalp and dandruff. It's a natural detangler, reduces the porosity of the hair, helps rebalance hair and scalp pH levels, stimulates better circulation to your hair follicle, and it's antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, and it helps with hair loss. You can go to MESTIZA for the full information on how and why I'm doing this rinse. So I'm just going to add the website down below so that you can see exactly why and exactly how to do this for your hair needs. So for my hair, since I have pretty dry hair, the recipe that is listed on there as a guide, 2 teaspoons per 1 cup of water. Now you want to make sure that you have the raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother, unpasteurized. This is the one that you want to use. I have here 2 cups of water because I want to make sure my hair and scalp are fully saturated. So 2 cups of water equals 4 teaspoons, right? So I have this big bowl. I have this, which comes with like any medicine that you ever give your babies. And it has on the side here, the measurement in teaspoons. So it's actually perfect because it goes all the way up to 2 teaspoons. Now I'm gonna shake this up a bit. There's 2 teaspoons, 4 teaspoons. You want to make sure it's diluted in water. You want to make sure you have the right balance so that you don't mess up your hair, because you could put too much of this and it could cause damage. So you want to do exactly what it says on the website. Just trying it out so you can see how my results are. Your results might be different. So first thing you want to do is you want to flip over and comb your hair forward. Now I'm doing this right after I washed and conditioned my hair. Make sure your hair is clean when you're doing this. Now what I'm really hoping to get out of this is to have bouncier, tighter curls, which are more defined and aren't looking as dry and frizzy as they have been lately. So this will serve as a before image to see if my curls will be any tighter after this rinse. Let's find out. So as I pour this onto my head, I want you to look at it closely and take note of the color of the mixture so that you can compare it to later on, and you'll see it has a different color at the end of the video. This rinse for about 3 to 5 minutes, and since I've already had it in my hair for about 2 minutes, I'm adding 3 minutes to the clock. hair with cold water, and now I'm gonna style my hair, and hopefully we'll see some more definition, less frizz, and more volume. So far, it does look a little bit more springy and bouncy. So I'm liking what I see so far. I feel like the ACV rinse totally took out a bunch of stuff out of my hair. It definitely feels like it cleansed my scalp. It feels more fresh. And if you look at the water ACV mixture, there's like some cloudy white stuff in there, and that wasn't there before. So I'm thinking that's probably all the excess product that has been cleansed from my scalp and hair, which is awesome. So here are the results. I'm actually filming two videos at the same time, so I'm gonna kind of record this twice. I styled my hair using the Bounce Curl Avocado and Rose Oil Pump and Define Cream, the Bounce Curl Moisture Balance Leave-In Conditioner, and the Bounce Curl Light Hold Cream Gel. In my next video, I'm going to show how I styled my hair using the Bounce Curl products. I love my results. As you can see, I'm actually really feeling myself here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my page. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Curls by Shirls. See you next time, and thanks for watching.